Hello there. So now let us create a table which will help us to easily debug the code error which can occur while having CRUD operations with that table or related ones. Now let us see. We will create a table and let us name it debug friendly table. Okay, so first one is the ID. So this will be help us to easily identify the row which the error belongs to, and it will be a primary key to that. It will be of type serial, and then there will be created at. We will have it with time stamp as its type, and it will be default now, and then we will have updated at. Basically these two columns will help us to easily know at which timestamp it has been created and at which timestamp it has been updated, right? Okay, and then we have, let's say, who have created and who have performed the CRUD operation. Then we will use this table which will be created by, it can be email ID or it can be user ID something, and then there will be updated by. Updated by will be for update operations. This can be null as updated may it's not been updated. And then there is active. Is active will be a boolean which will be help us to soft delete the row or the data. In soft deleting we don't delete the row, but we actually just change, but we actually just put it as, mark it as deleted. And then there is version table. Let's say the structure changes or some new functionality we evolves around, then we can change the version of that row. Let's say the row 1 is created with the version 1, and then we have changed it to version 2, something something. Then there is error log. Error log we can store if there is any error occurs while doing the performing the things. And then we have status table. Let's say if it's a process, then we can mark it as pending or success or something something. So default we will put it as pending. Then we have source table, from where the data is coming from. This will help us to easily know, like this source the data is coming from, we can check with them. And then we have reference ID. Let's say it's being connected to some outer sources, then we can have reference ID to refer to that particular source. And then we have deleted at. This will be similar to is active only, and it will be timestamp. This will be helpful for recording the time of soft deleting. So this we can move forward. Okay. So these are the ways by which we can easily debug. These are the columns by which we can easily debug the code. So check your code and see, check your table and see which column fits well, which column we can use to add and make your table debug friendly. Thanks.